Well, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, traders from across the globe. This video is going to be quick. I am hosting an OMNI It's Sunday. We're at lunch, so I'm just going to give you a quick blurb on what I expect for Sunday, Monday. That would be 4/29/2024. Risky, risky, risky. Trading is risky. Don't forget that. Put your stops in first, no matter what market or vehicle you decide to trade. So this video, 2742, coming at you on Sunday night for Sunday, Monday. That's April 29th, 2024. Because there's camp kids, let me be quick. If you recall, the market set the all-time highs in the S&P on April 1st. On April 2nd, we did a video to say bearish conditions now ahead. Watch for the downside. Then on this day, we came out with a video that said the legs are finally coming back. The market's gaining legs, and look where we are now. We're holding the average. We're rallying back up. We're back inside this channel. Right? Looking good to me, and the Omni is bullish for trading on Sunday night, Monday. So I wanted you to know that. Make sure you're aware. I will see you all at livewithoscar.com. Omni Camps ends on Monday afternoon, and you know me. I'll take care of my Omniacs. I've already sent out a flash update, or at least I've sent out an Omni, and here's the video. Traders, thanks for your patience. I'll see you after Omni Camp. Remember, stops are in. Emotions are out. Thanks for tuning in. Be safe out there. Please make sure you hit the like button on these videos. Share them around the internet. And I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.